You'll find this stunning, well-maintained executive home tucked away on 4 beautiful acres in Lee Summit, Missouri. The home features 3 bedrooms and 4 baths, with a spacious kitchen, large island, custom cabinets, granite counters, sub-zero integrated refrigerator, Thermador double convection oven, travertine tile, and much more. Enjoy main level laundry with a laundry chute, a 3-car tandem garage, a soundproof sunroom. A non-conforming 4th bedroom can also be used as an office. Don't miss your opportunity to own this outstanding custom-built home on 4 wooded acres in Lee Summit, Missouri. Tour the property during an open house, Sunday, September 23rd and 30th from 2 to 4 p.m. Online bidding closes October 11th at 12:30 p.m. Visit katesauction.com for more information, or contact the listing agent, Rick Bradford, at 816-668-1044.